Hi guys, most welcome to another Adobe Photoshop tutorial of video. Going to move forward to the video. It's my request to you subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video, press the bell icon. Now let's going to start our video. Dear friends, here I select different custom shapes. These shapes are amazing and beautiful design here we generate. These designs are in different style, different color like arrow, star and different shapes here we generate. This is amazing and beautiful graphic designing shapes. So hope you will be enjoy this video. Thanks again for watching our tutorial. Goodbye. Take care.